All right, so if you're going to connect up your operator, this is the electrical external interface here. Phillips head screwdriver, and then you will need a small flathead screwdriver for actually using the terminal strip as well. So just loosen off the screw, try not to lose it. Comes off just like that. You can see there's a little slot that goes in right there. It's a 6-terminal strip here, but in reality you're only going to use 4 of the connections here. There's a ground, 24 volts, right and left signal. So in our case we don't connect it up to an elevator, so we're only going to be using the power, ground and main power, and then we're going to be using the manual operation to do the setting. Once you are installing it into an elevator, you got to basically select right and left, whether it be open or closed, depends on whether or not it's a right or left hand gate. So in this case, I've already connected up a little connector here that we're going to use to supply power just from power supply. Typically, you would actually attach your power and ground wire from the main power system, 24 volts. So don't connect up 48, don't connect up AC power, it's 24 volts DC. And right now we've got this connected up, and we've just got a little power supply that's running here that's going to run the whole thing for us. So once we've connected it up, then we can basically do a setup cycle, manual left-right, and we'll go through that in another video.